Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina and today's video about this queen size or full size bed makeover. I started with my black color, is the name of it, Liquorice by Chic Paint. All the materials will be listed down in the description box. Check it out. This is my first layer, so it's gonna be black from the bottom, then paint the town, which is red, ooh la la in the middle, which is pink, then the vanilla frosting, it kind of beige or white, kind of light color, you'll see it later. I'll be using two brushes, one for the black and red and one for the pink and red. It's easier for me to blend my colors so I don't, drag the black color or the dark tone to the light side. For easy blending, you can always spray your paint and keep, using your brush to blend your colors. For my second layer, I wanted the red to a little bit be in the middle more to match the set. The bed is part of 3-pieces set, bedroom furniture. You can check the other two videos if you like. I use clear coat to protect the bed. On the details, I used the metallic gold, but I didn't really like it, so I added buff and rub or rub and buff on it, and it was really, really nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.